Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make sangria with red wine and fruit. Begin by choosing a fruity red wine and chopping fresh oranges, lemons, and stone fruit into bite-sized pieces. Add a splash of brandy and orange liqueur, stir in sugar to taste, and mix gently. Chill for at least 2 hours so flavors meld, then serve over ice with soda or sparkling wine. Garnish with mint or cinnamon if you like. Start with a basic ratio: 1 bottle of red wine to 1 cup of mixed fruit and a 1/4 cup of sweetener. Muddle some fruit gently to release juices, but leave most pieces intact for texture. Let the sangria rest in the fridge so sugar dissolves and alcohol infuses the fruit. Adjust sweetness and citrus to taste, and always taste before adding ice to avoid diluting flavor. Serve chilled in a pitcher for easy portioning. Experiment with different fruits like apples, berries, or peaches to change sweetness and texture. Swap some wine for club soda or ginger ale before serving to add fizz and lighten alcohol. For a deeper flavor, macerate the fruit overnight with sugar and a splash of brandy. Always keep sangria cold and serve with a slotted spoon so guests get fruit and drink together. Garnish glasses with citrus wheels or a sprig of rosemary for a festive touch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.